Hey guys, how you doing? It's Duncan here at HOILY Basil Thai in Croydon, and I'm here with another dish for you. Now, on the last time I was here, I did a hot appetizer. They were called son-in-law eggs. And I said this time I'd do a cold appetizer. So we're going to be doing another Thai cold appetizer, Mian Kam, which means something small that you can put into your mouth. And the hero of this dish is the betel leaf, the humble betel leaf. Now these grow on a vine in Thailand. You can pick them anywhere. In Australia they're grown in Queensland. You can buy them at most Asian groceries. And if you can't find them, something like a baby cos lettuce leaf would do just fine. So don't stress if you can't find them, but we'll get to those later. First thing we need to do is make the sauce. For the sauce we have simply some tamarind. Now tamarind pulp you can buy from the Asian grocer, or you can make it yourself by extracting the juice from the tamarind pulp. Then we've got a little bit of garlic, about 1 clove, and then 2 tablespoons of palm sugar. They go onto a low heat, and then we cook those until it becomes a nice sort of thick, sticky sauce. The sauce is lovely and thick. We've got something acidic in there, we've got something sweet in there, but we need something salty. In this case, I'm just going to use a little bit of fish sauce, just maybe half a tablespoon of fish sauce. If you want to make a vegan version, soy sauce would be perfect. And then I've got some finely desiccated toasted coconut. That goes in, we stir that together, and the sauce is done. Machine off. Then all we need to do is get onto our prawns. Now for the prawns, I've just got some lovely little Queensland prawns here, and all I need to do is take a small knife and just down the back of the prawn, just butterfly it open like that. So continue with the prawns. Now that the prawns have been butterflied, I just need to simply season them. I've got here some olive oil, not too much, just enough to coat the back of the prawn. And then some seasoning. Now, you can use plain salt if you like, no problem at all. But today I've got a little special treat which I love. This one here is by a friend of mine, his name's Sebastian, and he makes this lava salt. He smokes it himself, and this one's got some bush pepper and also some curry leaf as well, just to add that little bit of extra spice. So thank you, Sebastian. That goes on there, just a light seasoning, and then off to the grill. Okay, so while the prawns are grilling, I'll just go through with you some of the ingredients that are on the appetizer. With all appetizers, there's always a base, in this case, the betel leaf. Then there's a spread or a sauce, which we've got prepared. Then our toppings, which are our prawns, and then a garnish. Now for those toppings here, I've got some coconut flakes, which have been lightly toasted, fresh ginger cut into a 3mm dice, fresh lime cut again into a 4 or 5mm dice, but with the skin on. Some fresh chili, some fresh red shallot, and then some toasted crushed peanuts. I'll go grab the prawns and then I'll put it all together for you. Now that all of our ingredients are ready to go, it's just time to plate them up. So I'm just going to do 4 on this plate, so there's a little bit of space and it looks more beautiful. So leaves go down, and then we take our toppings. So I'm going to put on some crushed peanut, just a small amount on each one, some lime, some shallot, fresh ginger, small amount of chili, unless you like it hot. Then I'm just going to place a small amount of that lovely thick sweet and sour sauce. 1 prawn on top, a little bit of toasted coconut, and that's it. All I need to do is finish the rest. Okay, so everything's on there. All we need is our garnish, and we are done. This is a really lovely dish. All you need to do is wrap it up together and bite it, and when you get that beautiful zesty lime and the crunchy coconut and the heat from the chili and that fresh ginger, plus those lovely Queensland prawns that have been seasoned with that lava salt, absolutely fantastic. Try this one at home. It's really simple. Betel leaf or mian kum. Have a great day, guys.